Hi, if you have noticed, your organic traffic is dipping and your ad cost is climbing day by day. You are not alone. Something big is happening right now. AI is rewriting search. People aren't just searching on Google anymore. They are asking ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and Perplexity. When they ask who's the best roofing company in Austin, those old search systems don't give 10 blue links, they give one answer. If your business isn't in that answer, you don't exist. This screenshot is from our client audit. Their competitor showed up in AI searches, but they did not. Their competitor got the lead, the sale, the revenue without paying for ads. I'm Akshat Singh. My team helps business owners go from invisible online to being visible and trusted by both Google and AI search, usually within 90 days. Today, I'll show you the exact framework we use in our agency for clients who want to future-proof their traffic and get cited by AI engines fast. You will also get two bonuses at the end. The first one is the 90-day AI SEO PDF, which consists of all the action items for your website to rank on AI searches as well as Google. Also, AI visibility checklist. It consists of 50 action steps to audit your own site. Let's get started. So every few decades, the way people find information changes. Earlier people used to look on yellow pages for businesses, then Google search, and now it's AI age of discovery. 2024 and 2025 are the years people have stopped searching and started shifting to AI searches and AI results more and more. Instead of typing best roofing company near me, they ask who's the most trusted roofing company in Austin right now. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity don't listen to 10 options. They give one recommendation. Whoever earns that citation wins. Google knows this too. That's why they have introduced, search generative experience that replaces traditional listing with AI summaries. Fewer clicks, fewer visitors. Even if you rank today, it doesn't mean you will keep the traffic tomorrow. In one audit, who buys houses fast in Dallas, my client's competitor appeared in ChatGPT's answer because they had AI ready content and proper schema. Same niche, same offer, completely different visibility. Let me clarify something. I'm not saying SEO is dead. AI search engine optimization extends SEO. It is a more advanced version of SEO. When you optimize for AI, you are actually practicing advanced SEO. Every step that you take to help AI understand and cite your business for relevant searches also helps Google to rank you better. So this isn't replacing SEO, it's upgrading it. Think of AI citations like backlinks in 2025. First movers lock in trust that's hard to unseat later. In next 6 to 12 months, you can gain a first mover advantage opportunity and own organic website traffic for years. Now let's talk about how to actually make this work. Every site that shows up inside AI answers has 4 things in common: foundation, schema, content, and authority. Miss one and you stay invisible. Master all 4 and you dominate. So let me take you through them step by step. Okay, so the first step is foundation. And this is the step where I have seen most of the people taking it lightly. They run behind backlinks, PR, and a lot of other things, but if your foundation is not set correctly, you won't get the result out of those activities. So foundation means your site can be read, crawled, and trusted by both search and AI bots. If AI and search bots can't read your site, you don't exist. So here's what you need to check. Check for all the 404 errors on your site and redirect chains. For this, you can use a tool like Ahrefs or Screaming Frog. Submit a fresh sitemap every month to Google Map and Bing. You can use Google Search Console to do this. Check robots.txt. So GPT bot and Bing bot aren't blocked on your website. So they are able to crawl and read the information present on your site. Use HTTPS like security everywhere. So AI ignores non-secure pages. If it is secured, they'll be able to crawl it much more better. Improve core web vitals, for example, page speed and other things, content structure, XYZ. Optimize for mobile. Most AI training data is mobile content. Always remember that. Now, one of our client had 23 broken pages. Fixing them improved crawlability by 60% overnight. So understand this, the more pages you have on your website, it's it becomes much more important to check for all these foundational setups every month, because there might be something survey issue or something that might make your few pages go down, or might disturb the structure of your content on some pages and you don't even know about. Think of this as plumbing. If there's a clog anywhere, your visibility stops flowing. Once the site is clean, fast and accessible, everything else you build can actually be read and indexed. Foundation first. Without it, you are building visibility on quicksand. Once AI and search bots can read you, the next question is, can they understand you? That's where schema, machine readability comes in. Okay. And that is what is our second most important thing. After foundation, the second most important thing that you have to sort for your site is schema. Schema is structured data, the subtitles that explain your page to machines. If it tells AI who you are, what you do, and what's on the page. Without it, you are speaking English to a computer that only reads JSON format documents. Now, so think of it in this way. Human beings read the left side, which you can see on your screen right now, that is HTML pages, and machine reads the left side, that is JSON database schema properly structured on your site. Schema helps Google and AI build context so they can create rich results and trustworthy answers from your website content. If it's missing, you might still be read by the search and AI bots, but never referenced when your target audience make related searches. It's like sending a resume with no name or job title if you don't have a schema on your site. So there are 6 code types every business should have in terms of schema on their site. The first is organization schema. Define your brand name, logo, and contact info in JSON format. Then the second is FAQ page. List your key questions and answers in a format how user will be searching maybe on Google or AI. Then product or service. Explain what you offer. Then there is a voice assistant speakable schema, which is helpful in terms of Gemini and Siri, but this is also enhancing your search results actually if you have that on your site. Then there is review or aggregate rating schema. This adds credibility. And then website search action basically. This is helpful for e-commerce, but helpful in some cases for other websites also. So in this way, Google show a search box for your site, multiple options basically. So here's a live demo on the site right now. Go to technicalseo.com and go to their tools schema generator, and let's say if you have FAQs on your website, choose FAQ and then enter your FAQ question and answer, and it gives you JSON code that you need to add on your website. If you want to get your organization schema done for your website, choose website, enter your URL, and it will give you your organization schema. Just copy that JSON code and paste it into your site, right? And I have added a demo here on the screen as well, so you can check that. Now, this is one of the greatest tool, by the way, and this really decreases 90% of your schema generation work efforts. Now, this is just a 10-minute fix, that makes your website AI readable. Now the tools I recommend for schema is first tool, that is Google Rich Result Test. This validates your schema, whether Google search bots are able to read your site using your schema or not. Then there is technicalseo.com, as I have just shown in the example. You can use that to build your schema. Then there is a tool called Yoast or Rank Math to auto add schema to each page. Now these tools help you auto add schema, but it's always if you create a manual one, so you can verify the code. It almost creates a 20% impact. When you are creating your schema manually rather than using automation. So technical SEO is the one we prefer. Then there is Ahrefs or Skimming Frog to see which pages already have it and which don't, so you can add for them. Now when schema is active across your site, Google shows your reviews, your FAQs, and your site links as well when someone makes a search. AI engines like ChatGPT and Gemini start pulling your answers from FAQs and from pros and cons or any table data that you have on your site. Voice assistants can quote you directly. For one client, just adding organization plus FAQ schema doubled their impressions in Google's AI overview somewhere around in 45 days. Schema is your translator between humans and AI. Without it, you are just another page on the internet. With it, you become a data source for both search bots and AI bots. Now that your site is readable and understandable, the next step is to make it quotable, right? Because AI doesn't read your site. You want AI to quote your site when someone is making a search related to your service or your product, correct? Now that's what our third step is: creating content that AI can cite. Okay, let's get started. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, they don't read 300-word sales fluff on web pages. They quote structured, fact-based content that answers questions specifically. So, if your web page says we are the best college today, AI ignores that. The kind of page AI loves looks like this: title, How to Sell Your House Fast in Austin, 2025 Guide. 5 to 7 FAQs with direct one sentence answer, a pro and con table comparing investor versus realtor, a section called How It Works Step by Step. This is just an example in terms of a real estate business, but add schema for FAQ and table style content. That's what AI recognizes and quotes. So here's a simple blog post template that we use in order to create AI and search bot schemable content. We will put our heading something like question or clear statement. The intro would be of 50 words that define the problem and promise the solution. The body of the content would be like numbered steps, tables, FAQs, data points, and then again there would be a conclusion with recap and call to action. Understood? Now in this, there is very important to add schema for every step, for FAQ, for data points, for tables, for conclusion, and question or heading that. So now let's talk about tools that can help you create a citable content for AI and search bots. So if you want to find questions that people ask related to your product or service, use the tool called Answer the Public or alsoask.com. It will give you great FAQ suggestions. If you want to create an outline structure for your content on your website, that will help you rank faster, the best tool that I will recommend is Surfer SEO and Phrase.io. We are using in our agency these tools daily, and they really help you create an outline structure that AI will pick multiple content pieces from. And same for Google search generative results. Then if you want to create AI ready content for your website, I know many people say don't use ChatGPT and Claude to create website content, but I don't think that's a problem anymore. You just have to understand your core business copy, like any information related to your business, should be created by you. But if you are creating any informational content to help people in their buying journey, then you can definitely use ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, Perplexity, whatever you like, and there's no problem in that. We have tested it and it's helping us to rank our client's website. Then if you want to include facts, because these facts and statistics and sensors are picked very fast by AI bots and search bots too, and this gives you direct access, one of the hack to rank on these searches. So in that case, you can use a website called Fact Check. Enter your topic and it will give you statistics and sensors related to that. If you want to add FAQ schema, as already said, Rank Math or Yoast, these tools you can use. Now these tools will help you think like a machine while writing for humans. The result is content that Google can rank and AI can quote. Now see how this works hand in hand with SEO is that when you are writing in question answer structure, this makes you rank faster in Google and appear in AI answers, because this is one of the systems that is serving both the channel, question answer structure. Now AI doesn't read your blog, it quotes your answer. Remember that. So this structure is very important for content creation to rank, and get first mover advantage in this AI search and traffic thing. Okay, now, so step 4 is authority building, that is, backlink and PR. Remember this, you also do this in SEO. The only difference to do it for AI search citation as well is, a little different approach in content promotion. Okay, and I'll explain you further. So let's take an example. You can have a perfect content but on your website, but if no one reputable points to you, AI and Google will never trust you. Authority is the currency of search. It is the currency you will use to grow your sales and revenue organically without burning in ads. Both Google search and AI search use the same signal, that is consensus. The more credible sites that mention you, the more trust you will earn. Okay, and what counts as authority, like different types of authority building measures are, editorial backlinks, where you are getting your articles featured on relevant sites, like guest post or industry feature. Then local citations, that is, if you are a local business, getting yourself into the local directories like Yelp, and House and etc. Then PR mentions, usually this is very helpful for all type of businesses, that you get quoted in media. And to do this, you can use a tool like Hire a Reporter or Quoted or EIN Presswire. We use these tools, we buy their monthly subscriptions, and then we help our clients secure PR mentions using those tools. Then entity profiles, like official listings on Google Business, Crunchbase, Wikipedia. And then there are many tools, like for tech businesses it's Product Hunt, right? So these listings and these types, like whatever relevant for your business, you should be very heavily invested in that authority building. Now, authority work is not spamming 1,000 backlinks. That used to work during SEO, that you get 1,000 quality backlinks and boom, your website is ranking in top pages. But now it's earning about higher quality and lesser in number, like earning 40 to 50 good ones, and about 30 PR mentions that AI can see would be much more helpful for a business. And that is why the 90-day AI SEO growth sprint that we have created for our client, that is what we do: 50 quality backlinks, 30 press mentions, and we see the results happening in real. So here's our process. In week 1 to 2, clean all the bad links from your site with the help of Ahrefs or SEMrush. Then week 2 to 4, start guest posting, press release using Hire a Reporter or EIN Presswire. And then week 4 to 8, add local citation, podcast mention maybe if possible and relevant for your business. Week 8 to 12, monitor growth in domain rating and AI citation, and whatever brings a good bump in your domain rating, repeat that action every week to week. Okay, now moving next, we are going to show you a case study where after building 52 plus links and 30 press mentions in just 90 days, the domain rating went from 0.6 to 52, and they started appearing in Perplexity and Gemini results. So understand this, backlinks tell Google you are relevant, but PR tells AI you are credible. So you need to do both, and backlinks and PR are separate. Do not mix it. Now this case study is of Kaizen Health Group, one of our clients. So let's see what it looks like when all our 4 pillars work together, that is foundation, schema, content AI can cite, and authority building. Kaizen, so when we started, they had a domain authority of 0.8, almost no backlinks. They had around 14 broken pages. So they are into multiple location. Okay, so across Ontario, Canada. So they needed for each location a particular local SEO, well optimized and done. Now, and they had zero visibility in AI searches. Today, when someone asks ChatGPT or Gemini for the best massage places in Mississauga, Kaizen Health Group is right there in the answer. This wasn't luck, it was built very systematically. Over 90 days, we fixed 14 broken pages and technical issues. We implemented full site schema, organization schema, FAQ page schema, and also tables content schema. We built around 52 contextual backlinks and secured 30 plus PR mentions, created entity profiles on Google Business and key local directories. Their domain authority grew from 0.6 to 57, and that is a massive credibility growth in under 3 months. Within the same 90 days, they started appearing in ChatGPT and Gemini for AI results. Website impressions grew from 5 to 10K per month, and now they generate 70 to 120 organic leads every month without spending a dollar on ads. That's what 12 months of growth compressed into 3 months looks like. And remember, those improvements didn't just boost AI visibility, they doubled their organic traffic too. That is from Google My Business or Google searches. Because AI search optimization is nothing but advanced SEO with a few different approach. Now, let me speak about how to approach your 30-day AI SEO roadmap PDF that you're going to get as a bonus. So if you are, implementing this whole strategy yourself to get rank in AI and Google search results, this is what you can do. Week 1 to 2 foundation, you have to fix all the errors on your site, optimize for speed, add schema for all the content, and submit sitemap to Google and Bing both. Remember this, Google and Bing both, because Bing has a partnership with ChatGPT, Bing Microsoft ChatGPT. So when you make your website crawl on Bing, there's ChatGPT, it gets automatically crawled on GPT as well. Then week 2 to 4 content, rewrite pages with FAQ and publish first 4 AI ready blogs using the question answer structure format that we spoke about. Then week 4 to 8 authority building. Usually within 90 days, if you're able to secure 40 plus high quality backlinks from above 80 domain rating authority sites and 30 plus PR mentions, there's a very high probability that you will rank for minimum 3 to 4 keywords in your industry. Then week 8 to 12 is AI visibility acceleration, where more blogs, more PR, and understand what type of content AI is citing your website for and create more similar content. So your ranking for other citations becomes easier. And yeah, that is what you do in 90 days, and you end up with a crawlable site, multiple optimized blogs, 40 to 50 backlinks, 30 PR mentions, and live tracking of AI citations and getting mentioned in both Google search results as well as AI search citations. Now, when we have implemented this into our client business, what we have seen is usually we see a bump of 10x in domain rating. Okay, so from 0.6 to crossing 50, 60, somewhere in that rating. Then we see the keywords that their websites start getting impressions on goes from around 10 to 12 to 100 plus. That we have seen an usual increase of around 300 to 400% in website traffic. And every step that I have told in this masterclass will help you for both SEO and AI searches both. Okay, so you don't need to do your SEO separately. When you implement this, you optimize your site for ranking on AI searches and Google searches both. Now, see, AI search is growing fast. The businesses that get cited first will log the top ranking spots for years, and waiting means training AI to trust your competitors instead of you. So at this point, you have two options: do it yourself and done for you. How to do it yourself, we already taught you. But if you are looking for done for you services, you can schedule a audit meeting with us, where you will get your custom AI search plus SEO audit, a full 90-day execution plan that is customly designed for your business only, and weekly progress reports and end of sprint visibility report, like what result you should expect and all that. So yeah, that is all. I hope you like this masterclass, and if you have any question related to AI search and SEO and how to optimize, if you haven't understood anything, in the 90-day SEO PDF roadmap, there's my email there, so you can email me and I can help you there. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great day, and if you want done for you, we can schedule an audit below. Thanks a lot. Bye.